everyone, welcome back to another Good Yarn with Carissa video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to finger knit the rope stitch. So all you're going to need is yarn and fingers and scissors. So this is using 2-finger finger knitting. So we're just going to do one normal row as usual. So hopefully you've already watched the 2-finger finger knitting video before. Okay, so did one row, and now we're going to take the working yarn and put it behind and in front of the index finger, and then grab the bottom loop and then push it over the top loop, but then don't pull it off the finger yet. Just keep it on there, and then now grab the bottom loop, which used to be the top loop, and then pull it over that loop that we just pulled over. Okay, so do that again. Over. Now pull the bottom loop over the top loop, and then grab that bottom loop, and then pull it over the top. Okay, so feel free to watch on slow speed. I'll do it once more. Okay, so now one thing is you do have to do one regular 2-finger finger knitting row in between, so I'll just do that real quick. Okay, now over. Now grab the bottom loop over the top, don't pull it off though, and then grab this bottom loop, which used to be the top loop, and then pull it over. Okay, do it again, the other finger, over. Now pull the bottom loop over the top, and then now grab that bottom loop and then pull it over again. Okay, so if you haven't grasped it yet, then feel free to go back and watch again on slower speed. Make sure that you know how to do the stitch very well. So now we're going to do another regular row, and then I'll just do it one more time. Okay, so remember, over the top. Now bottom loop over the top loop, don't pull it off though, and then grab the bottom loop and then put it over the top. Okay, now over. So grab the bottom loop, pull it over the top one, and then grab this loop, the bottom loop, and then pull it over the top again. Okay, so keep in mind that you have to do one regular row in between, because if you forget to do that, then it's not gonna work out, because it's called rope stitch, and you want it to be not very stretchy, and you want it to be nice and thick and strong. Alright, so like this one, this is what it looks like, right? So this one is, hopefully you can see, but this one, as you can tell, is just not very stretchy compared to regular 2-finger finger knitting. And one thing that you will probably notice is that it actually just looks like 1-finger finger knitting on all sides. So it's kind of like a rectangle, because on all sides it is knit. So like that, not very stretchy. So that's how it should be. If it's really stretchy, then you probably have done something wrong, or maybe you just knit it really loose, but try to do it tighter, because it's supposed to be a rope stitch. Now this yarn is not very stretchy anyway, so this is a perfect rope. You can just knit a whole long thing of it and then use it as an actual rope. Okay, so now we're just going to cast off as normal. Okay. Put it over, and then get scissors. my kit. Make sure you watch the short of making your own kit. Okay, now leave tail, not too long though. This yarn is kind of hard to cut. Let's see. Okay, there. So now we're just going to feed the end through the loop and then pull tight. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the finished product. And then if you turn it slowly, it should look kind of blocky on all of the sides. Okay, and then if you pull it, here's a test to see if we have succeeded in our mission to make it very unstretchy, not very stretchy. That's good. So let's see, it's here. So on the ground, it's here. So I'm gonna use a marker. Okay, now stretch it, and it barely goes past. So that's very good. That shows that we have succeeded in making the rope stitch. So great job. Hopefully you will like this video, and I hope that you did. If you had trouble following along, then always, for all of our videos, make sure that you master this stitch very well, and always feel free to go back and watch at our slower speed, like I said. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you've liked it, subscribe to our channel, Get Crafty with DBK, and I hope that I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye!